Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a stable baseline. Create a restore point and backup drivers now. Install MSI Afterburner and GPU-Z, then run a short stress test to record stock clocks, voltage, and temperatures. Once done, open Afterburner and enable hardware control and on-screen display. Make small changes only. Set the power limit slider to maximum allowed and unlock voltage control if present, but do not jump clocks yet. This prepares you to change frequencies safely and lets you monitor impact in real time. You will tune in small steps. Increase the core clock by about 10 to 15 MHz, apply, then run a 10-minute stress test while watching temps and artifacts. If stable, repeat until you see artifacts or crashes, then back off one step. Next, raise memory clock in 25 to 50 MHz steps with the same validation routine. Make sure to monitor voltage and power draw. If temperatures approach unsafe levels, reduce clocks or raise fan curve. Keep notes so you can revert changes quickly. Once you find stable core and memory values, save them as a profile in Afterburner and enable apply at startup so settings persist. Make sure long-term temperatures stay within safe range under real workloads, not just synthetic tests. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, revert to the previous stable profile or default clocks immediately and reinstall the Nvidia driver if instability persists. A key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is unpredictable, reset settings and clear any overclocked voltage, then retest with small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.